Hello everybody, Mary Mitchell here today. Hope you guys are doing really good today as well. So this painting that you're seeing here is not what I set out to do at all. Actually, not in the slightest. But as you go along with me here, you're going to see and you're going to want to say stop, and you're going to see things that now as I look at the video, I wish I had done. Oh, I wish I went this way. I wish I went that way. Why did I do that? I was getting frustrated. I was, I really was getting, how we get sometimes. I'm sure at least most of us have experienced this. But the way it turned out, finally, I really like. I probably will embellish it. I'm not sure yet, but for now, go along with me on this, and you're going to see swiping. You're going to see a lot of different things. You're going to see me go through a lot of different changes, and you're going to feel it. I guarantee it. And if you've done this, if you've been there, you will feel this. And it's part of our journeys. Have a great day, everybody. So here's where I lost the plot. Here's where my vision went someplace down the road and I couldn't find it. I said to myself, let's swipe because this is going nowhere. I didn't want to add more paint because I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I just decided that this was the way to go. So I was liking that side where the blue was not liking that other side. So what I did was I started to pour on the other side, which I'm sorry, you probably can't see too well here. And I went down one side and then I went up the other side, or I should say from the other side back to the middle. I still didn't know what to do. I just, my mind is going a million. I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, what do I do with this? How do I want to approach this? Let me just keep going. Something will come into my mind and I will see it. And it does happen. So I'll stop there and let you watch. One, two, three, and here it is. Thank you, Dutch pour. Here we go. Say no more. I started to see something, and the cells that I was looking at, I was so afraid to mess up. They were just, I mean, unbelievable. They were so beautiful that I started to see so much when I looked at this. I didn't want to, you know, use the blow dryer on the lower part. I really, really liked that left-hand corner, the blue and the green. I wanted to keep that intact as much as I could because I loved everything so far about this, whereas I was hating it before. Just I didn't know what to do, and the Dutch pour just really did the trick, and the cells that came out were just blowing my mind, and I was so happy at this point, but I still wasn't quite sure. You know, I wanted to see something else, and it wasn't happening, but I did like what I saw. I did like what the paint was doing and how it was interacting with the different paints were acting with each other, I guess. The swiping, the blowing, the swiping, the blowing. It turned out. It really did turn out. And so, yeah, you can take something, you think you're going one way, and you end up going a completely different way. And you know what? That's what this is all about, and that's what makes this so much fun, is turning something into, from nothing into what you do, into what we all do. It's so exciting whether we embellish it, whether we leave it, it doesn't matter. It's the colors are just unbelievable, and that's what made me really happy about this painting, was just all those beautiful colors. I've never done anything as colorful as this before, so I was really happy about that. Thanks. It dried nicely, so I'm just, showing you some close-ups of it, some parts of it that I really liked.